Hello everyone, welcome back to another watch-in. Today we have a box opening which is long overdue. This is actually my February watchgang black watch, and I am super far behind on just about everything. I haven't even done the follow-up on my watchgang black from January. I have a ton of watches stacked up and I'm hoping to get into a little bit better rhythm and get some videos out. I've been really working on my other channel, working on cars, so if you want to check that out, I will link to it below. We made some really good headway on a couple of the cars. Before we open the box, see that I am wearing that out of order Casanova. This also was a watchgang black membership watch. I do like this one. I like it even though it's not everyone's style, that's for sure. Not everyone's into that distressed look. Well, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this one up. I will say this is actually a pretty large box for February for my watchgang black. So I'm kind of excited to see what we got. And it's a tight fit, so crack that open. Let's see what else we got. We got Wheel of Watches card. No monthly newsletter this time, but Wheel of Watches is fun. We got a Wheel and Harburg. Not one I've had on watchgang black before, so pretty excited. That's actually a pretty nice case. Whew. Wow, that is definitely a different one. Look how bright the green. Oh, wow. I kind of dig this. So it has kind of like a racing inspired leather strap there. Got WH on the buckle, WH on the crown. But I really like the combination of black and brushed we got going on here. That green is crazy, crazy. Not sure how I feel on the green just yet. I do like the ribs in the bezel so far. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So this was the watchgang black membership for February. This is the $99 tier level. I know absolutely nothing about this company, so I'll do my usual research, wear it out a few times, see what I think about it, and let you guys know. Sorry for the delay on the videos, guys. Let me know what you think of this one in the comments below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.